Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
Turbo drives the PyCoding agent over RPC mode. Stick around to learn how to launch it in one command. It spawns the agent in the background and communicates over a light JSON protocol for fast performance. The classic royal blue desktop features 10 top menus and double-line frames for intuitive navigation. Dedicated function keys let you switch models, save your current session, and run tests instantly without leaving the keyboard. System requirements are minimal, running on Linux, macOS, or Windows inside any modern 16-color terminal. After setup, simply clone the repository and run npm start to launch your retro agent environment immediately. Nemus gives your AI agent a multi-repo-style workflow across all repos, but wait till plain English builds it. When product code is split across frontend and backend repos, one command clones and syncs them into one folder. Save reusable repo collections into snapshots while operating in bulk across status, sync, and branch commands. The name comes from Latin for a groove, representing trees sharing roots as repos grow together in one workspace. By explicit design decision, each workspace gets a full clone per repo to ensure total isolation for parallel agents. Install globally and complete setup, then let an agent create your workspace using plain English commands. Switchboard preserves your test conventions across OpenCode, Claude Code, and Codex sessions. But how does sync keep raw content private? It provides one shared memory store so your approved facts and project context survive model or editor changes. Standard coding agents usually lose context, while OpenCode closed native memory support. You remain in control because you can revoke any client grant, while project memories stay keyed to Git identity. To start, global setup requires Node, GAs 22 or newer so every editor reaches the CLI package directly. Sync works safely because Switchboard keeps proposal text separate from lifecycle events, moving content only as deletable records. Backed by 648 tests, Claude Unlimited automatically swaps accounts mid-session. But how does it protect your keys locally? You can rotate subscriptions and API keys seamlessly right inside your active session without any restarts. The contents outline simple install options, daily driving tools, and automated updates. When your context is loaded and you hit limits, you avoid any manual workaround or session loss. It supports mixed pools where Codex accounts are translated into Anthropic format, so your workflow never breaks. A local daemon router picks accounts on 127.1.1, ensuring credentials stay local and not reachable from your network. Take Note saves self-contained HTML reports to your disk, but stay tuned to see how you can fix bad parses. The author built it because watching long posts left nothing remembered, choosing to explain concepts instead of compressing them. You can summarize local media files, YouTube links, web articles, research papers, and full GitHub code repositories. Simply point the tool at a URL, and it automatically creates and opens your new interactive HTML report. It works across compatible hosts like Codex or Cursor without requiring any external Python packages to install. Community issues are welcome, so sharing broken source URLs helps make future note parsing even better. IntentRoute-AI converts plain prompts into rules for Singbox TUN, but stay tuned to see how keys stay safe. This control plane turns network intent into locally validated drafts so bad AI output never breaks your traffic. Because manual authoring is error-prone, it builds inspectable rules while keeping the default route direct. Select Ollama or OpenAI, enter your prompt, and dry run structured drafts through an in-process validator. A background worker analyzes detached configuration snapshots to spot duplicate or shadowed rules before routing. During provider setup, your API key is read at request time and never written to configuration files. That's the mix for today. More trending dev tools and AI agents in the next one.